Okay, I'm gonna program this for a customer, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it happen, especially with these new keypads. I know it can get a little bit tricky at times. Press and hold 0 and 3 at the same time till it stops flashing. Once it's done, you go to your opener, you press your learn button, you put the code that you want, which I'm gonna do it off camera for this customer, and then you press that button right there 3 times. So let me put the code. Now that I got the code, 1, 2, 3. Let it do its thing. It's gonna have a light show, nice Christmas light show. And now you just wait and wait and wait a little longer. It's gonna start running once it's done. There we go. It's all done. Once it does, press the home button a couple times to stop it, make it come back, and you're good to go.